DCB, which is in lower circuit after the reaction to the strategy which is unveiled by the bank. But to talk more about that, we have Nikhil Rungta, the lead analyst, BFSI, Anand Rathi Institutional Research, joining in. Nikhil, tell us, what is the key reason for the downgrade that you have to sell?
See, the key reason for the downgrade is the change in the strategy which has been announced by the management yesterday evening. Earlier, we were betting upon the strategy of steady loan growth by DCB, their capital structure, management execution over the past 5 to 6 years, and their focus on cost control. But then with the new strategy, all these parameters goes for a toss. Like they'll be increasing the branch penetration to 300 plus over the next 12 months. So that would in turn have a significant impact on their cost-to-income ratio, which was, which we believe would have started improving over the next couple of quarters.
Okay.
So due to this decision, their cost-to-income would also rise to around 65-70%, which is already among the highest in the industry.
Okay. They have a conference call this evening at 4 p.m. What would you like to hear from them? And if in case, say, on a hypothetical situation, they withdraw the strategy, do you think that you would be a buyer just based on the numbers?
See, just based on the numbers also, like for the quarterly numbers, as such, excluding trading gains, the profitability was largely in line with the estimates, but there was a slight blip in the asset quality which we have seen in this quarter. There were a couple of large SME accounts which got slipped. Also in the mortgage portfolio, we have seen a slight slippage during the quarter. So from that perspective, we'll probably, revise. I'll be buyer at 105, 106 levels, but I'll be revising my numbers if they withdraw the strategy.
Okay. And what would you like to hear from the management? What would be the key points in terms of the conference call this evening?
See, the key thing would be the withdrawal of strategy, because in the last couple of years, the stock has re-rated significantly, primarily on account of the management execution and their sustainability and stability in the numbers and the guidance. So with this thing, it clearly proves that it was not in the interest of a lot of investors, the strategy which they are implementing. They are focusing primarily on 2022 numbers. So due to which they are clearly wiping out the 2 to 3 years which are there in the middle. So from that perspective, the key thing which I will look out for is the withdrawal of the strategy. And secondly, the commentary on the mortgages portfolio and the SME portfolio, like going forward, how the asset quality would pan out to be.
All right, Nikhil. Thanks a lot for your time today. That's the view.